I got me a new musket, a cap musket. So you guys know I'm into cap guns and I like cap guns. I got a rifle today. So I got this musket rifle. It's loaded, as you can see. As you can see, I shot it a couple times. We just got back from our trip, but I shot it a couple times. So, but it's really scary to shoot, but you'll get used to it. And they're really fun to shoot. And it's basically a BB gun, but louder. It doesn't have a barrel that you shoot. But yeah, I was just showing y'all. I like it. If y'all like it, hit that like button. We're at 51 subs. Okay, guys, that is insane. Thank you guys. Yeah. So, but this is it. All right. This is Civil War musket made in. It's a Paris brand. Really cool brand. I would check that out. But yeah, these things on Amazon, but I got it from a shop in Deadwood, Minnesota. As y'all, I went to Mount Rushmore, but I didn't film anything. But yeah, so, but yeah, and then I cut out tons of them, tons of shells here. Cut out tons of shells. Got all these shells. Cut out of them. So yeah. Yeah, peace out. See y'all in the next video.